This wig that I'm trying on now, her name is Kayla. The color that I'm trying on, it is B as in blessing, T as in terrific, 1B27. The 27 is going to be at the end. All right, here we go, ladies. I'm going to put it on. Do not get scared. This is for my girls that love natural hair. Okay, you don't like silky straight. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it back. I'm going to pull her over to the side like this. So she's like a bob, but it's like kind of curled at the end. How cute is that? Absolutely adorable. I'm going to pull back a little bit so you can see my baby hair, my toddler hair, whatever you want to call it. All right, so that is Miss Kayla. I'm going to show you one more color. She also comes in, and I'm going to tell you, my favorite one is the 99J. The 99J one is absolutely gorgeous. Kayla is 1B, the one that I'm trying on now. And I'm going to actually I'm going to really make sure I saturate it with the solution. Then I'm going to make sure I put on some laminate. And y'all know what I'm going to do? I'm also going to, just simply because she has more curl in her, I got 5 pumps of the unlock. I'm going to roll it in my hand. I'm just going to squeeze it, just like this. You want to show a product, Henry? Okay. I'm just going to squeeze. And what I'm doing is I'm keeping them frizz down. So if you look over to your screen, we're excited to let you know, if you're watching us for the very first time, I'm Hape Johnson, one of the owners of Lehost Hair and Wigs, and I am co-owner with one of the most handsome guys in the whole wide world, and anointed, and cute, and blessed. His name is Henry Johnson, and we together have been able to, with your help out there, we've been able to grow this business into 309 stores in Walmart. That's 21 states. And then we have just been placed in 4 more Walmarts, 8 Mile. So if you're on 8 Mile, go in there after June 26th and you'll be able to find us in Walmart. And you'll get all the products. You're going to get all of them. So that's 8 Mile. Then you'll be able to go to Grand River. And you'll also be able to go to Telegraph and 12 Mile. All right, this is still Kayla. She is a middle part. So this is what she looks like back up. I'm going to back up just a little bit. Hi, Beverly. Glad to have you. Hi, Keena. Yes, Jewel, happy birthday. Yes. I would love for you to tune in every Thursday and Saturday at 4 o'clock sharp on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and you know what? You now can tune in on my website, lehosthair.com. All you have to do is punch in lehosthair.com or just Lehost Hair on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And every Thursday at 4 o'clock and Saturday at 4 o'clock, I'm going to be there with the Beauty Cutie teaching you how to look amazing and feel wonderful. Listen, we're giving out great discounts this Saturday and this Thursday, so you don't want to miss it.